Welcome to the Mellow Crypto channel. I'm the Mellow back to share my adventures in crypto with you. Be aware this is not financial advice, and no, I am not a financial advisor. Also, it's cold in these crypto streets, so always do your own research. Invest no more than what you are willing to lose. Protect your things and make sure you are taking some profits along the way. This is another update on my LIBERA Angel NFT journey. If you're not familiar with the project, check the description area for a link. If you've seen some of my other videos, you know some background already. So we're going to get straight into the numbers and where I am. All right. So looking at the right here, my total claim so far has been 2,299.081 LIBERA BUSD LP, which is about $2,080.45 in BUSD. Now, my initial investment into this was approximately 3,800 in BUSD. So I'm a little over half away in recovering my initial investment. All right. So right now, pending, I have 0. The rewards for today have not been published yet. So, I'll be collecting that when it comes. And I do have some LIBERA BUSD LP of 12.916. This is from the LIBERA BUSD miner. I'm separating the miner funds and putting that in something else. But what I'm doing with my NFT earnings is I'm putting that into Seifu, and we're going to talk about that in a bit. So let's get into my tracking. This is not the chart that I wanted to show you first. Let's go here. This is where I want to be. There we go. All right. So my tracking, trending, the the NFTs rewards returns, they're continuing to go down. So I think this is just going to continue to cycle down. I don't know that it's going to perk up at anytime soon. But last 7 days, my average return was about 0.59%. Previous week was about 0.62-ish. So yeah, things are trending down. And this is based off my first NFT, by the way. My total rewards for my first NFT purchase has been 177.462 in LIBERA BUSD LP, which represents about 59% of my initial investment. So, and that's taken 74 days. So it's probably gonna, at this rate, probably take another couple of months for me to make whole. But I'm going to see if I can accelerate that by investing in Seifu. So as you can see, there's been some significant movement in Seifu over the past week, over the past 7 days. And what's driving this is the anticipation of the launch of Seifu Go, which is May 27th. And on May 27th, when Seifu Go is available for purchase, it's only going to be available for purchase using Seifu for the first 12 hours. So if you want to get into that game, you have to get into that game using Seifu, and it has got some interest and caused some increase in price. Now, it is expected, anticipated, possible that the price of Seifu, which is currently 1.1377 as of the time of this video, this could double, could triple, could even get a little bit higher than that before the Seifu Go launch. So that's one way that I can recover, or not necessarily recover, but I could accelerate my NFT rewards. But I want to take it a little bit further. I'm actually going to take all of my rewards and get, that I've put out of that I've taken out of the NFT project, put into Seifu. I'm going to send that all over to Seifu Go, and I'm going to document my progress on that as well, because I want to see how far I can go with this and see if I can not just break even on my NFT investment during doing this, so that way going forward, everything that I receive from the NFTs is just straight profit. But I want to see how much I can actually profit off of those rewards beyond breaking even. So I want to show that. Now, if you look at this chart, you do see that we have a big red candle here. And that is because if you're familiar with Seifu Go, SafeFugo is going to be driven by a few liquidity pairs. And Brian Legend, who is the brainchild and owner of this project, used some of the funds from SafeFu to get those liquidity pairs started. So, there's more to that. If you want to get some more detail, I'm not going to cover that in this video. That's not the purpose of it. But go to Discord and go to the SafeFu Discord. You can learn more about the goings on there. So he's being really transparent about it. So, there's no foul, no harm, no foul here. But it does create a great buying opportunity for those that are interested in getting into SafeFugo. So enough about that. Let's get back into my tracker here. So as it relates to what I think I'm going to see and, where I'm at, I've been DCAing using my NFT rewards since April 27th. And I was going to stop on May 15th because May 15th was the initial launch day of SafeFugo, and that's recently changed. So I'm making a decision. I'm going to continue to DCA using my NFT rewards into SafeFu up through the SafeFugo or SGO launch. So I want to see if I can really, because I'm really curious to see what this is going to end up doing. So so far right now, just based on how things sit at a price of $1.64, I would essentially break even. And this includes all of the taxes for getting into SafeFu, getting out of SafeFu. Also, I have baked in the taxes for getting in and out of the LIBERA BUSD LP as well. So I'm creating this table to just kind of gauge what my potential return would be. So, I said that it's possible that the price of SafeFu could double or triple. So let's say it doubles, that'll get around the $3 range. And just again, this is just SafeFu alone. If that does, then I have a possible net profit of $673. So that's awesome. So that's almost a one-time increase. So really curious to see where this is going to go, and I will be documenting my process along the way. So I did include links in the description area if you want to learn more about SafeFu and SafeFugo. Do encourage you to go check that out. Very fascinating things going on over there. And also every Tuesday, 8 p.m. Central, myself and one of my business partners, we host a Quarks in Crypto live event. Very entertaining, very informative. We had a great discussion this past Tuesday about wine glasses, and that discussion is going to carry over into next week as well. So please join us. You have an invitation to come and sit with us and let's talk about crypto. Let's talk about wine, and just have a good time. So hope to see you there. And do me one favor before you go. If you wouldn't mind, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I really appreciate that. So that's all I have for this video. Thank you for your eyes and ears. Hope you have a great day. And until next time, Mellow Fella is out.